Let's try this again. I realized on my last video I was moving the camera around too fast. I was nervous because of the wind. It's calmed down some. Well, calmed down a lot actually. But still, it was pretty bad. You can still hear the wind in the trees. I'm on the southwest side of the hurricane now. Try to move the camera more slowly now. There's the busted tree limb. And it's raining. Tree down on the house. Part of a tree anyway. That's a Bradford pear. It's not a particularly strong wood. Gutter's ripped up down there if you can see that. Gonna have to get that repaired. And tomorrow, if it's not raining, I'll get out there and see if I can't cut this tree up. It's just part of the tree, but that's the only big tree down in my yard. Lots of debris down in the road and the driveway. The yard's covered with debris. Ground's covered with leaves, sticks. Where I'm located near Lake Moultrie, South Carolina, it was more wind than rain. I mean, we had some rain, but it wasn't the torrential rains that I was expecting. Mostly we had more wind than anything here. I don't know how bad the flooding's going to be where I am. I don't know it'll be that terrible. Not compared to, what was it, Matthew several years back? We had more like 18 inches of rain. We certainly didn't get anything like that this time. But there was plenty of wind. Definitely more wind than Matthew. We had Florence too. Florence had some pretty good wind, but this is probably more wind than Florence. Trees are still swaying some. There was a whole lot worse earlier. Probably woke me up in the morning about 3 a.m. and I managed to get back to sleep, but it was really howling out there, and for most of the day it just maybe in the last hour started to calm down some. Just got the power back around 5 p.m. It went off about 9. These trees fortunately didn't come down. They'd come across that power line. There were some tree limbs in the power lines. They had to come get them out before they could turn the power back on, and I'm sure there were other places. Humidity's definitely up. So it looks like as far as my house is concerned, just that one tree down. I'm out of my, well, it's still raining. Let's take a look at the other side. I haven't even been out to the other side yet. See what it looks like. Definitely more tree limbs down over here. Not as big as this one, but other tree limbs as well. Rain's picking up a little. You can see the leaves stuck up against the side of the house. There's some other tree limbs over here. Alright, it's starting to pick up a little on the rain, so I'm going to head back in the house. I think for us the worst is over. Not completely out of the band yet. Almost speed up a little being the rain's picking up. There's that frog. I saw a bewildered squirrel out here earlier. He came out of the woods over there. The deer, there's plenty of deer back here and turkeys, but they're hiding, I guess. The wind has definitely calmed down. Those trees were swaying all over the place, and then there was just constant wind noise up there. So hopefully I did a better job. Didn't move the camera around quite so quick this time. One more look at the downed tree limb.